In this video, I'll show you how to view the full customer history in your help desk system quickly and easily. If you're using any popular help desk software, knowing where to find all your customers' past interactions is key to providing the best support. So, how do you view a customer's complete history? First, you'll need to log into your help desk account and search for the customer in question. Most help desk software will allow you to search by the customer's name, email, or ticket ID. Just use the search bar at the top of your dashboard. Once you've found the customer, click on their profile to open up a detailed view. Now, this is where it gets important. Depending on the software you're using, you should see a section called Customer History, Ticket History, or something similar. This will contain all the interactions this customer has had with your support team. You'll see previous tickets, responses, notes, and any status updates related to those tickets. If you're using software like this, the customer history will give you a complete timeline of everything related to them. In some software, you'll also find filters that let you sort by the type of interaction, whether it's a support ticket, live chat, or email. This can help you drill down into specific channels of communication, making it even easier to pull up just the information you need. For example, you can look at only chat messages or sort by ticket status to see unresolved issues. Another feature you'll want to look for is the ability to add internal notes. If the customer has a long history with your support team, these notes can help you stay on top of any important details, like special requests or recurring issues. These notes can often be found next to the ticket history or in a separate tab dedicated to internal team communication. Once you've accessed the customer's full history, it's important to ensure that you're tracking everything correctly for future reference. This makes follow-up communication much smoother and saves you time by not having to re-explain things to your customer. You'll also have better insights into patterns and trends, which can help you improve your customer support process over time. If you're still unsure about how to access full customer history in your help desk software, remember that this feature is available in most of the popular platforms, and it's worth getting familiar with. And if you're looking for a tool that makes it super easy to manage customer interactions, check out the free trial link in the description. This trial is exclusive to my viewers and will help you follow along if you're interested in a new software solution. Key takeaway: to view a full customer history in your help desk, simply search for the customer and navigate to their profile. From there, you'll be able to access a detailed log of their past interactions, including support tickets, notes, and statuses. Use filters to find specific types of interactions and make the process even more efficient. To wrap up, remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've linked below. It's a great way to dive deeper into this feature and streamline your customer support process. Thanks for watching.